Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at FastCredit Pro. So in this video we're going to be talking about the credit top-up destination, and you can see here on the FastCredit Pro settings we've got a field for adding a destination where basically customers can purchase more credits. Now this comes into play in a few different places on the site which I'm going to show you, and we've also got the credit top-up button text. So basically this is the text that's going to be displayed on the button or the link that I'm going to show you shortly. So if we go to the WooCommerce store, and you can see here we've got a credit balance and we've also got products we can add to the cart, right? But say we wanted to add this product to the cart and it's above our credit balance. So if we add that to cart, you can see here we've got a notification that says insufficient credits. Now there's also a button here that says buy credits, and if we click the link, this is the link that we've set in those settings. So this is basically the credit top-up destination. So this could be basically any landing page on your website. It could be a WooCommerce shop listing, or it could be like a dedicated landing page with a payment button on it. It's going to link to that page. And if we also view the checkout, so say I've added a product to the cart. We add that to the cart and then we go to the checkout. We've also got a link here as well, which is the buy credits link. And then there is another place on your site where the values are also shown. So here on the shop listing or on the product listing itself, so you can see here this product is 111 credits and we don't have enough credit for that product. So basically there's a button that's displayed which is the buy credits button, and that's going to display the same message. And then if we click into the product itself, you can also see the buy credits button is there. So in all those instances, the text that you add here is going to be displayed, and obviously the link that you add here. So if you're enjoying this video and you're enjoying the content that we're providing here on YouTube and the plugins that we're putting out, just give us a quick like, subscribe and share and all that stuff, because it's going to help us grow this channel. We're at a very early stage at this point, so I'm just making this little call out here. I'm going to stick it in all the videos that you're probably going to see, just to keep reminding you. And also if you got a comment, leave a comment, and if you got requests for videos, let us know as well, so that we can kind of just keep on top of stuff and just bring you stuff that you want to know. Anyway, I look forward to connecting. Any questions, let me know, and chat soon.